Well, after a confusing little scramble, because there was a sign about 5 minutes behind me that appeared to show a soft right turn, and in fact you had to turn more harder to the right sort of thing. And yeah, anyway, but I've just had a sneak peek. I haven't looked at it properly, but there's this big rock mound here. Maybe he's taller than me. It looks as though you can get up it with some natural steps to get the 360 view, but this is just the view. I haven't been out here yet. Don't forget things. There's a tree to hold on to. I'm holding onto it. Put the camera over towards the edge. Yeah, my legs are starting to shake just a bit, so you can see why. How about that? Now that would be looking, that's north that way, that would be looking west, just towards that Mount Zero that way. Hello, mountain. I really am shaking now. I'm going to step back a bit, even though I can't fall. So there's like fines, isn't it? More Grampians that way. So yeah, I've done myself a nerves. Gone a bit here, I'll just sit back and sit down. That's where I was on. Just there, sitting down is more comfortable, so I can push buttons and see what I'm filming. So there's a tree I was holding on to. I was back from the edge, but still felt my knees wobble. Not proud, I'm proud enough to say I'm not stupid. So here I am. I assume this is Mount Rosea. There's no signs, but there's been signs sort of every few K. So I'll double back and so I'll go back and have a look to see if I've missed a sign or if this is it. I'm not saying it's disappointing, because in fact, if we go back this way, I can hold the camera up. I don't need to go up there. So there you go, looking at the range is off the other direction, and the gap in the middle looks like a lake there. I reckon that's the country that the balconies look over. So it's pretty spectacular. I'm just holding it up high and I can sort of see what it's seeing. Yep,